Shall we get into this hair? Let's go. I have the hair, which is Unice. I don't know if it's called Unice or Unice, so apologize if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. But this wig that I am wearing is Unice, and it is a 5x5 closure wig. It is in the color natural, and it also has the HD lace on the wig. Now, I decided to do 5x5 wigs for a while because I just feel like the 13x6 lace wigs, it doesn't give my edges enough room to breathe. So I need something that I can just take off and put on when I'm ready to go. So that's where I'm standing at right now. I just want you ladies to know that I'm not going to steer you wrong. I'm not going to give you wrong information. I'm not going to give you false information. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. And I'm not going to tell these companies what they want to hear either. I am here to provide you guys with nothing but the truth. So let's talk about this hair. Specs. Honestly, I've only had this hair installed for 2 days. And for the 2 days I've had it in, it has been fabulous. The thing that I love the most about this wig is the lace. Now I want to get up close and personal with you ladies, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. So this is the HD closer, right? I did bleach the knots, so that's the only thing that I actually did to this wig, as well as plucking it. But this is close and personal, no filter, nothing. This is the wig, this is the closure, and it gives me a 5x5 width, and then we got the 5x5 parting space. Just love, like, I love the lace on this wig. The inches is 28 inches, so it is pretty long, and it is full. It is really full. This is body wave, so you can do a lot of body wave. You can add curls, you can add crimps to it. I did test it out with the crimps to see how it will hold a curl, and I'm gonna input a video to show you guys what it looks like as well. And honestly, it took the crimps very well. I'm gonna also include a clip of me installing this hair, so if you are interested to see how I achieve this look, then definitely stay tuned and remain watching. Make sure you like this video. Also make sure you subscribe, and the details on this wig will be listed below. I do have another hair review coming up as well, so make sure you hit the notification bell. This way you can keep track of my videos. Alright, now this is Bianca, and I'm not tuning out just yet. Okay, so here is the items that I use to bleach the knots. Since we're working with a 5x5 closure, I only need a half a pack of BW bleaching powder. I'm using my measuring cup, and I'm also using the 40 developer cream. Yeah, so definitely want to just mix it in until it reaches a pancake or toothpaste consistency. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. I'm using 40 developer, which will bleach the knots within 10 minutes the most. If you use a 30 developer, then of course it's going to take a little bit longer to bleach the knots. I'm taking the end of my plastic fork to mix it in. I just feel like plastic utensils work better with applying to the lace versus metal, or the, you know, the little brush that comes with the bleaching accessories. But this is what it should look like once you're ready to apply it to the wig. I'm going to show you how I also apply it to the lace. And yeah, just watch me work, y'all. Now we have to flip the wig over. This way we can apply the bleach to the hair. Make sure no hair is sticking out. This way you don't over bleach anything. You want to spread the bleach like butter, okay? Spread the bleach like butter. Not too hard onto the lace, but soft. And set this timer to 10 minutes once you're done. And once you see the knots turn blonde, you know it's time to go ahead and wash it out. Now this is me just getting ready to pluck the front of the lace. As you can see, I'm doing zigzag motions with the comb. I don't want to do a straight line before I pluck it because it will look too perfect, and we don't want a perfect look. We want it to look as natural as possible. So just watch my motion with me just doing the zigzag motion with the tail of the comb. I'm going to start the plucking process. You want to make sure the hair is wet when you do this because it makes it so much easier. I usually do it after I wash the bleach out, so it makes it very easy to just pull the hair. And just watch my motion, how I'm just pulling the hair back, and I'm grabbing the lace. I do not recommend doing that because you don't want to rip it, but I mean, I'm used to doing that. And you just want to comb out the excessive hair because you will have it. You're literally pulling the hairs out the knot. So that's going to get you that natural hairline. And you just want to keep plucking it back, front to back. For me, I love to use tinted lace spray for my wig. You can use that, or you can use makeup that's close to your your color, and you just want to apply it to the wig. I personally love the tint spray. It just gives it a natural look, and it's just easy to apply. And there I go, just spraying it onto the lace, and time to put it on. So I'm not going to talk anymore from here. I'm going to let you guys just watch it. Everything is pretty, self-explanatory. Just watch me, hot comb the hair, lay it down with the freeze spray, and you'll see the end results from there.